Oh, look, raccoon shit on the top of it.
No, it's not. Those are the pins.
I don't know. I'll bet you if we wire.
That's why we. No, we could. We could fit that in there. We can do we can do a 3-row. Now, the question is, now there is some raccoon poop in there, but I don't. I know we looked up the part number for the seed plates.
Like I said, if we just put either one of the corn soybeans, we ain't going for fucking accuracy.
Yeah, there's.
Yeah, I mean you'll get like 3 for 1 kernel of corn, but who cares?
Yeah, it'll be all right. I mean, you want it kind of, and once it falls down to the bottom there, like.
It'll spread out.
Yeah. Yeah. But which one of these?
Is the best or the worst one?
Well, this one we broke the retainer on when we were working on it, so maybe this one. And then, oh man, well that one's got a broken tab on it that's been welded. I guess multiple ones have. Do those? Yep, that one has one. Does that one have the little ring thing that we can pull out?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, we'll just take this one off and use it as a parts unit, and then we'll get 3. And
Yeah, like I said, put them at 30 or 34 inch rows, and then you just step over one.
or why not just put them at 15s or whatever the minimum is we can get? And it'll be the same as.
It'd be easier to get the tractor lined up with wider spacing. I mean, we can do 20s and just split. I mean, it doesn't really matter.
We'll get the center one done, and then we'll set the other ones off of it. You know.
Yeah.
I think you're right. With 3, we can do a lot more.
A whole lot more, yeah.
Put this one in like the.
You could put a little seat on each side. That way, you could, somebody ride along and maintain the grain and stuff in there.
Like I said, you put a cultivator shank clamp on each end. But yeah, we can take this one off and put it in the chicken coop where it's safe. Did you find something down there? Good.
Actually, if you pick the 300 up after Dad's done using it, you just come here and pick this up and take it back. Well, it'd probably be easier if you just took this off and put it on the trailer.
I have to have someone here to hoist this up because remember, there's no spring tension hoist up.
Yeah.
My eel hitch arms won't.
Dude, that's what we could do. We can make legs that clamp onto the outside that you can either bolt on or flip down. That way you can sit down on. We've got the extra leg, that yellow and black leg thingy up at.
That is true.
Or always put one in the middle.
But
I mean, even if it's just got a V on it, yeah, you could literally take an angle iron and it would just sit on it when you let the thing down.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we can take some of these blades off and use them on the other ones that are worse for wear. But yeah, I think we can make that work.
It'll work all right.
Yeah, maybe we better use. I don't know. Because the hill drop assembly on that far one was the broken one that they welded back together.
Well, we can mix and match too.
Yeah. It don't matter. We'll get 3 of them put on there.
That'll work out good.
Yep. Yeah, let's go.
Stan can have parts if he needs parts, and these can use parts